go up the pyramid, we would go up the edge of the pyramid, and we would use pneumatics to push the robot up a little bit. So our hooks just grab onto the first level, and we would pull ourselves up, and another pair of hooks from the same arms would extend to the second level and just continuously do that. And so we got to the top, and then at the top we would unload our bucket of colored discs onto the tray so we could get 50 points. Yeah, total 50 points. 30 from hanging and 20. Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, if you can remember by squinting very hard at this drawing.
Sorry, I just saw
Squint.
small.
What? Okay, so we have the normal 4 wheels and everything. But to grab on to every level, what we're going to do is...
Okay, we're going to have a pneumatic piston in the front, near the front of the robot center. So what we do is when we get ready to climb up the pyramid, we go up to as far as we can, and we push up until we can level out our deploying mechanism to pull ourselves up with the first ring.
And so what it is, so we have 2 arms that are going to come out, and they're going to come out by motors, and then we're going to use a pulley to pull it back up. And what it is they have just normal hooks with kind of a skid plate. So what it does is it rubs up against the bar until it just catch. And it'll pull us up, and there's 2 more hooks just outside of them that will catch on.
And those are attached to the robot, not to the owner.
Sure. And it will catch on and hold the robot on that bar. And so that way we can just go ahead and go up. And what we'll do is basically just keep on going up, and it'll skid and catch. And skid and catch. And we're going to be going up the side support part.
The joints.
No, the edge of the pyramid.
Yeah, we're going up the edge, and it's just we're gonna aim ourselves, and then go up, and slide and catch all the way up, and then jump.
What is going to allow us to ride on the edge is 2 pairs of wheels, front and the back, angled towards each other, creating a 90-degree angle, which run on the piping, and they are going to be attached via a tough spring, so that when it hits the ring, it pushes back, so it allows it to go over smoothly.
So you won't have any imbalancements involved.
But we're not going to have the last set all the way in the back. We're going to have it more centered, because in the far back, we are going to try to have a skid plate so that we can drive over our, all the frisbees, and then it loads them up, and we're going to use a design slightly like theirs, where it just pulled it up system.
So on the shooter, so what we're going to do is it's going to load up from us catching things. Sorry. And then we're going to use so we're going to have kind of like how everyone else has been talking about, 2 wheels, except we're going to have it to where it's going to be able to spin while it's being pushed out. So we're going to have back wheels that are just going to push it out, but it's going to be able to spin because we're going to have a lot of the tire rubber, whatever you want to call it, it's going to be squishier.